Hey, it's Nick with TUSHÉ, and you will be saying TUSHÉ every time you wipe your butt with this wet wipe. This is how TUSHÉ works. Take a piece of toilet paper, fold it, scrunch it, however you wipe, put your hand underneath the dispenser, and look at that. Beautiful foam. Now, take that foam and wipe your butt with it. Ooh, easy as that. A regular wet wipe is made with plastic, which pollutes the earth, and it contains harsh chemicals, clogs your pipes, and is not flushable or recyclable. This wet wipe lasts 100 years. This lasts 1 day. I don't know, it sells itself. We can shit on wet wipes, but they shouldn't shit on our planet. TUSHÉ is the modern wet wipe that is eco-friendly, sustainable, hygienic, natural, and flushable. When I wipe my butt with a dry piece of toilet paper, I still got number 2 on my butt. What's up with that? Now here's some poo. Ooh, camera guy, get in on this. Now, with regular toilet paper, it's gonna take me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wipes. Now we're gonna take that beautiful foam and clean the poo. With just 1 wipe and without tearing, and it can be used on any toilet paper. Wow! TUSHÉ dispensers are touchless, so you won't get nasty germs all over it. You can leave it near your toilet or install it next to your toilet paper by peeling off the wall adhesive, stick it to a flat surface, add the wall mount, and attach. TUSHÉ is perfect for babies, children, adults, grandparents, everyone and anyone who wants to rid the planet of single-use wet wipes. It's also waterproof, making it easy to clean, and it's rechargeable. TUSHÉ takes 30 minutes to fully charge, and the battery can last 3 months. 1 TUSHÉ cleansing foam can save more than 500 wet wipes from entering our oceans. We use natural and pure ingredients so you can feel safe using it every day. Are you feeling dry back there? I know I am. Our cleansing foam is infused with aloe vera to help moisturize and soothe skin. Didn't take your daily vitamins? No problem. Our cleansing foam has vitamin E to protect your skin. Hemorrhoids irritating? TUSHÉ's got your back, literally. With witch hazel, it will help you with irritation and redness. Every TUSHÉ starter kit includes a dispenser, cleansing foam, wall attachment, and a cable charger. It's time to leave the outdated wet wipe behind. Save the planet and save yourself with TUSHÉ. Back us on Kickstarter today.